In our post-pandemic world, a sudden shift back to what was once considered normalcy can be difficult for many. After over a year of lockdowns, social distancing, and isolation, it can be hard for us to resume social interactions and thrust ourselves into the world. Our app, LocalPin, seeks to ease the burden as people come together and once vibrant communities are revived. Made by Aarav Agarwal, Samuel Lihn, Pranav Sitaraman, and Alan Shee, LocalPin is a social media platform which seeks to connect people close to each other in an effort to make this world just a bit smaller.
As the world started to open up after the pandemic, we tried to think of new ways that our communities could connect with each other. We noticed that it was difficult for neighbors in a community to communicate with each other considering how close everyone was physically. We've seen communities use traditional social media to communicate, but one major thing was missing: location.
With this in mind, we set out to create LocalPin, a location-first social media platform designed for local communities. Unlike other social media platforms, our app targets not just teens or adolescents, but rather people of all ages. Our app allows users to post pins near their current location onto a map in real time. Users can draw pins to warn others about hazards, ask about a lost item they found, advertise an event, simply blog about their lives, and more. Pins can be set to automatically expire after a certain time, or the author can manually remove the pin. These pins are instantly sent in real time to nearby people. Community members can also leave comments on pins and chat about a dropped pin in real time, which allows people to stay updated on things going on in their community.
For example, if a tree falls on a road during a storm, a community member can drop a pin to let others know to not walk or drive there. If someone finds a lost wallet, they can create a pin so the owner can get in contact and get the wallet returned to them. A user could advertise a basketball game to members of the community, and people interested can chat about the event in the comments.
Our app is targeted toward web and mobile platforms. The client app is written in C#, HTML, and Sass using the Blazor frontend framework. To implement the Google Maps web API, part of our app is written in TypeScript and interoperates with the C# code. Our backend server uses the ASP.NET Web Framework and is also written in C#. User data is stored in a Postgres database.
We encountered a few technical issues when creating our app. TypeScript was a new language to all of us, and learning how to write and use it was a challenge. We were also new to making real-time web apps, and getting all clients to receive notifications and sync up properly was a challenge.